everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I've actually got to get the Mustang registered. Now you're saying, what? You're an idiot. You've owned this car for like 5-6 months and you haven't got it registered. Well, when I first got the car, I bought it in Oklahoma, and so they don't automatically register it for you because I live in Texas. Whereas Texas dealerships, when you buy in Texas, they take care of everything. All you have to do is go pick up the plates. It's super nice and simple, but I did buy the car out of town, so you've got to do it on your own. Well, I was actually waiting. I had ordered custom plates. I was waiting for the custom plates. They never came in. Then I called to follow up. They got denied. I did an appeal. They started making them again, supposedly. 3 weeks later, again, the plates didn't come in. I called. Oh, they got denied again. So they got denied twice. I don't even know how that's possible. So I got upset. I canceled the plates. I'm just gonna go with some regular plates for now. So here's the thing. Whatever you think I should do for the plate, put it down below. And now I'm going to tell you the plate I was going to do, because I don't know if I've ever said it actually. I was going to do Sneaky, because I had the Hellcat, it was Sneaky Cat. I was going to do Sneaky 5.0, and because I did 5.0H, they thought I was talking about 5.0, as in police, as in government. So they didn't like the plate, but I did appeal it and they approved it, but then it got denied again, and it was a whole ordeal. So I ended up just canceling the whole deal, and so now I need your guys' help on making a custom plate. But for today, we need to go get the car inspected, because in Texas you have to get the car inspected. Yes, it's a brand new car, but since it was bought out of state, it still has to be inspected in Texas, and then we can actually register the car. So let's get over there. Boys, she passed state inspection with flying colors. Shout out to the homie who always inspects my car. I don't want to say his name or the place's name because I don't want to get him in trouble, but it's a street car. This thing passed. Yeah, it's got a little exhaust out the hood, no big deal. Seems stock to me. Get two of the unicorn bangs and a large Diet Dr. Pepper. That's it. Oh, really? Thank you. We are officially registered, and here is the ugly ass plate. So comment down below what you guys think I should get. Remember, I was gonna get Sneaky 5.0. I'm not gonna get that anymore because it was declined or denied twice. So comment down below what you guys think I should get. I'll see you guys back at the house. Just turbo. Should. We've been having some crazy ass weather in Amarillo. There's tornadoes near us, there's hail everywhere, and now look outside. It's freaking beautiful. Look how perfect it is. You can't beat it. So, the Mustang is registered. Everything is good to go. It's plated. I just need to get some cool custom plates for it. And yeah, past state inspection. I mean, come on. It's a street car, people. They don't check for AC. So, anyways, in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about what is actually wrong with the Mustang. Why have I not made some huge wide open throttle pulls? Why have I not dynoed it? How much power is it making? Got a lot of questions, and I want to kind of explain what's going on. So, I'm gonna rest my arm against the Magnum. Good old trusty Magnum. The turbo is too small for the car. So I guess this is a huge problem with Coyotes. They actually flow so much, the heads flow so well that Coyotes need a big exhaust housing on the turbo. Now, I did pick the larger exhaust housing for the turbo that I have, but it's actually not big enough. And this is why a lot of the newer kits coming out are all twin turbos. Now, there is a single turbo kit coming out for the newer Mustang. It's from BL Fabrication, which I actually have their brackets on my radiator. They make some really cool parts for Mustangs, and they've actually come out with a single turbo kit. But this is why a lot of companies like CPR, JPC, On3, Helion, a lot of those got away from the single turbo for the newer Mustangs, and they all just went strictly twin turbo because that allows you to run a smaller turbo, which gives you quicker spool. Plus, with running two of them, you don't run into any back pressure issues. So that's the biggest thing, is running into back pressure issues. The turbo just can't keep up with how well the Coyote flows. Now, the only problem with that, I mean, yeah, I've got to buy a bigger turbo. I've got to sell my turbo. So if anyone's looking, it is a Precision LS series. It's 75, 76 turbo, or 76, 75 with a 0.96 AR housing. If anyone's looking, it's a good T4 turbo. Can make upwards up to like 1,000, 1,100 horsepower, just depending on where you're at and where your elevation is. But it is a really good entry-level T4 turbo, and it would have made plenty of power on the Mustang. However, it just does not flow enough. So here's the problem that we're gonna run into is we're already confined for space right there. You guys know we've had a lot of trouble fitting everything in there. So that's our biggest fear. I'm gonna stick with a T4 turbo. I'm just gonna go to a bigger exhaust wheel and a bigger exhaust housing. So I've got a few options already that I've spoke with a few companies about, but I gotta sell my turbo first because turbos are expensive and upgrading to bigger ones is even more expensive. And you know, Joseph and Joseph will knock it out once we get the bigger turbo, and I'll just kind of watch and be like, oh, that looks cool. That sounds cool. But man, hopefully you guys enjoyed like the raw footage of the car just driving around. I think it sounds so freaking cool at the hood exit. I don't care if you don't like it. I think it's badass. It's not my daily driver. It's definitely streetable. So it is so much fun. I drove it to downtown to get it registered. I went and got it inspected at the place over by the gym. Like, it's so much fun to drive it around. It's totally streetable. Oh, it sounds so good. I didn't even need music. It just sounds that good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed some of the raw footage, raw clips. We'll definitely get more. So really the next thing is we just got to get a bigger turbo for the Mustang. Sounds so simple, but it's not that easy. So I've got to sell my turbo first. That'll allow me to have some funds, and then I'll need to save up a little bit of funds, and then I can get a bigger turbo. And then the car's gonna go back to Joseph's for more welding. I'm sure he's so excited to see the Mustang back at his house. I bet he can't wait. This Friday, we will be in Oklahoma for Streetcar Takeover. Joe's going to be doing some test hits on Friday because Saturday it might actually rain, unfortunately. We've always wanted to go to Streetcar Takeover and it might rain, so we're going Friday, get some test hits, and if it actually rains, then we'll just have to come home. But hopefully it doesn't, and if you guys are in the surrounding area, make sure you come out. It's gonna be an awesome time. And yeah, I think we'll be there probably like around 5 or 6 o'clock on Friday night. So if you guys want to come out, check out Joe's Trans Am and meet us in person. It'd be really awesome to meet some of you guys. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, VanV39. And comment down below what you think the license plate should be Should be. I know people have already commented, but I'm leaning more towards Mustang now. That name has really, really stuck to me. It's like someone gives me a name for a car and I just get really attached to it. Like Austin, good buddy of ours, he named the Hellcat Sneaky Cat. I thought it was like the most awesome name. And I'm pretty sure it's Rigo that came up with Mustang, and I really like that name. So let me know what you guys think down below. We'll see you guys on the next one.